And we only feel like we've just scratched the surface of what we can do with it in terms of exploiting the info catalog, on really building out business-focused data products ready for consumption. When we started on our info catalog journey with Collibra, we reached out to Datashift as a known provider here on the Belgian market, also a local provider, which is really important to us. We've had a pretty prosperous relationship from both sides in terms of doing that. We've really made Collibra and info catalog a viable source of information for data workers, but also for business users.
Datashift helped us in becoming more data-driven because data is the only thing they do, and so they have a continuous focus on data. This means that in Colruyt Group they can see opportunities that you don't always see yourself, and things that you should do and steps that you should take, and they're really pushing forward on those steps.
We work together as not just as a Datashift team, but as well very closely with the client as well. When we started here at Colruyt, we were a very large team mixed between Colruyt and Datashift to ensure that everything is in line with what Colruyt wants and how they perceive it, so it really works within their way of working. We can't just set it up as an out-of-the-box thing. It needs to work for every client. So that's why, for me, teamwork is one of the key ingredients here.
We want to push that data ownership even more into the business so that we can work on data quality closer to the source, and really making sure that when those releases of data products come out, that each time you start to see, oh yeah, it's getting better. That problem we had with that particular type of product info, for example, in this release, it's coming at much more stronger, much more clear how we can tackle that in the data. And by pushing that closer to the business, we're really seeing some initial gains in that. And we want to build further on that.
Our ambitions as Datashift for Colruyt are, on the one hand, to keep going ahead. We're doing great work here together with Colruyt to ensure that everyone has a grasp on their data and know how to use it, and to keep working on that. On the other hand, it will be very interesting to see how we can even improve more how to use the information catalog, as Collibra is known here within Colruyt, and to make it as tailored and usable as possible. Not just adding data to add data, but to add that data that has the biggest impact as possible.
And in terms of Datashift, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We're definitely going to continue the partnership to make sure that we can continue innovating with Collibra within Colruyt Group.